Hey guys, I want to make this quick video to show you what it's like to run a virtual machine on the all-new MacBook Air. So this is the one with 16 gigs of RAM, so that does help, but I'm sure even on the 8 gig model it runs just fine. So I'm going to show you my Windows 10 virtual machine. Go ahead and click start. And the reason why I'm filming it like this is so because QuickTime Player takes up a lot of the power needed for the virtual machine. But yeah, as you can see, it boots up pretty quickly. We're already into the login screen, loading screen here. So that's pretty good. I do have a whole bunch of apps open, but it's really not that long of a wait to get to the desktop. So now here we are, we're on the desktop, and Windows 10 looks really good on the Retina display. Now mainly I use this virtual machine for like Visual Studio stuff, and Visual Studio does quite well actually. Doesn't lag too much at all. It does take a little bit to build a project, but it's not too bad. So there's Visual Studio all fired up here. Let me open a project up real quick. So here's a little lab project I was working on, C++ of course, but I'll show you just a simple program, debug it, show you how long that roughly takes. So we got our build started. It does take a little bit to build a program. You can see it always takes a long time to build it for the first time. I guess what I'm trying to say is it is usable, but you're just gonna have to be a little patient sometimes. You can see we haven't even got our window opened yet. There it is. The program is still loading. There we go. So enter your number in, whatever. Shows you, you know, just stuff like that. I entered too many numbers, so it's in a loop now. But whoops. But you can also hear the fan just a tad. But really guys, if you're using a Windows virtual machine or any other virtual machine, it's really not going to be a problem unless you do more intensive things like Visual Studio or video editing or whatever, playing games. But it can definitely handle a simple virtual machine, no problem. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys this. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.